Try this one more, train this cartoon Benton model photo editing using Gemini, Google Gemini. For this, you have to open Google. Open Google and search XYAA space EDITS, and you can click on this first website. You can find prompt from this blog, trending Google Gemini voice photo editing AI cartoon. Click on it, and you can see the example photo, and scroll down. You can find this prompt, copy this prompt. Now again Google Gemini and click on first website. Now add this prompt and tap on this plus icon and add your photo and run it. After few seconds the photo will be popped and you can save that photo. After that you have to open Pixar, tap on plus and add that photo. It is how it look like. Now remove the background using remove BG. Now place it on the left side like this and save it. That's it.